Imagine every black hole in the universe, millions, maybe trillions, suddenly waking up, dragging themselves across the darkness, moving, growing, hunting for each other, and then colliding. A cosmic chain reaction so violent it could rewrite the universe itself. Today we're asking a question so unimaginable, even physics struggles to answer it. What if all the black holes in the universe collided at once? Black holes are already the most extreme objects we know. They hide behind horizons where time slows, light thins, and physics breaks. Yet they're also everywhere. Tiny ones left behind by dying stars, supermassive giants sitting in the hearts of galaxies, even the mysterious rogue black holes drifting silently between the stars. But here's the twist. Black holes don't like being alone. Gravity pulls them together, fuses them, and creates bigger and bigger monsters. Normally, this happens slowly, over billions of years. But in our scenario, we're pressing the cosmic fast-forward button. Every black hole begins to feel an impossible, unnatural pull, a summons. Something wants them to collide.
It starts small. A pair of stellar mass black holes lock into an orbit. Space itself ripples. Those ripples, gravitational waves, fly out across the universe. But this time, they don't fade, because every collision triggers another. Like dominoes, except the dominoes weigh the mass of suns. One merger becomes 10. 10 becomes 1,000. Clusters of galaxies start to flicker as their central black holes grow more unstable, and the universe begins to tremble.
At the heart of nearly every galaxy sits a titan, a supermassive black hole, millions or even billions of times more massive than our sun. They normally stay still, anchored, balanced, but now they begin to drift. Slowly at first, then faster. Galaxies twist and warp as these giants tear through them like cosmic wrecking balls. Imagine our Milky Way's black hole, Sagittarius A star, suddenly accelerating. Stars would rip from their orbits. Solar systems, including ours, would be thrown into chaos. But this is only the beginning, because something even larger is coming.
As black holes merge, they don't just grow. They become denser, more chaotic, more unpredictable. In the center of the universe, wherever that might be, the collisions begin to layer. A single, unimaginable structure forms. A hyper black hole. A gravitational titan so powerful it stretches space-time across billions of light years. Its pull becomes impossible to resist. Clusters collapse into it. Galaxies spiral inward. The universe's great architecture begins to fold like fabric being drawn to a drain. Gravitational waves slam through reality at levels never seen before. Matter heats to trillions of degrees. Time itself starts acting strangely. Minutes near the hyper black hole could pass as centuries far away. We are witnessing the universe being rewired from the inside out.
On Earth, the sky becomes a warning sign. Constellations distort. The Milky Way bends. Even light arriving from distant galaxies stretches and twists. We might not be swallowed immediately. The universe is huge. But eventually, the accelerating collapse would reach us. The solar system would be torn from the Milky Way, planets thrown into interstellar space, Earth drifting into a darkness with no sun, no stars, no chance of survival. But even that wouldn't compare to the final moment, as the hyper-black hole overtakes us. Space folds, time slows, the universe dims into silence.
Eventually, all the black holes merge into one. A single object containing the mass of every star, every planet, every atom that ever existed. No light escapes. No time flows normally. The universe becomes a silent, perfectly black sphere. But the story doesn't end here, because this final black hole, this ultimate collapse, might not be a grave. It could be a beginning. Some theories suggest that when a black hole reaches extreme mass and density, it could explode outward, a white hole, a new Big Bang. Meaning, all black holes colliding might be how universes die, and how new ones are born.
So, if every black hole collided, we wouldn't just witness the end of our universe. We might witness the birth of the next one, a reminder that in the cosmos, every ending might just be another beginning.